And now we are going to the questions I have given yesterday. Based on I was discussing about the exact form of differential equation, and the exact differential equation will be the necessary condition was del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. If that equation this condition is satisfied by the given equation in the form of m dx plus n dy, m and n is a function of x and y uh, in exact form, right? So I've given the questions. Question number 4, will you tell me the answer of question number 4? This
सर
is in
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में del m upon del y is equal to del n upon del x नहीं आया,
नहीं आया।
माइनस आ रहा है। एक आ रहा है
Yes
2x
sir,
a
minus
स्क्वायर
yes sir.
और एक आ रहा है 2xy माइनस a स्क्वायर।
नहीं आएगा 100%।
मेरा तो आ गया।
100% आएगा x dy minus y dx में 100% will be
Correct. वो question is
सर
correct.
मेरा आया है।
who said who has got the answer?
Sir.
Kadam.
यस सर कदम।
Rijul, yeah, Rijul,
Yes, sir.
what do you want?
Sir, I have got the answer. He said who has got the answer. So.
Okay, Neha,
Well, then it's not possible.
not possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jalaj,
Yes, sir, I've got the answer.
you got the answer na. So that means the people are not doing in the right way, right? So let's see what is the problem there. When you just I'm writing this equation, question number 4 na, question number 4, because I'm giving the good questions after that. Question number 4, this is what? This is x dx plus y dy, and this is equal to a square x dy minus y dx, and then divide by this is x square plus y square, correct na? So when you rearrange this equation will be x dx, you take the dx right this side, x into this one, so x into x okay, so you will get like that. Now see, this will be x plus a square y upon x square plus y square dx. Yes, Kadam, will you get this one?
यस सर।
Y minus a square x upon x square plus y square, and then dy equal to 0. Is it correct now? So this is your m and this is your n. When you find this derivative of that one, so you'll get actually you will get here del m upon del y, and this will be del n upon del x. You check everybody, the same term you will get here a square, and this will be a square into x square minus y square, and then divide by this will be x square plus y square ka whole square. This term will get
यस
correct na? So this is the rearrangement of this equation, and when you find this derivative of this del m upon del y, so this will you will get a square and y upon y x square y square. So apply the quotient rule here, because with respect to y, so you'll get this one. With respect to x also, here it will get also, because this term will be 0, and this again with respect to x you can apply the quotient rule. So the final answer is, I'm writing the answer, final answer. Yeah, Kadam, what is the final answer?
सर द आंसर इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 2a स्क्वायर tan इनवर्स x upon y plus y square is equals to 2c.
Okay, the answer given in the book. Now you see, this will
Yes,
be
sir.
I think yeah, plus a square tan inverse x upon y, and this is equal to c.
Yes, I have just simplified it much more.
Fine, good. Okay, any more question?
सर 6 में भी मैच नहीं हुआ।
Sir 5 कैसे करना है?
सर आप सबके आंसर एक बार बता दोगे क्या, सो क्रॉस चेक कर
Yeah,
ले।
सबके आंसर I am just writing. Answer मिल गया. This is very simple questions, because I'm going to give a good question for that. So 2y minus 8 plus 1 by x. So question number 5 का आंसर लिखिए आप लोग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का आंसर है, दिस इज आंसर इज वेयर, दिस इज साइन sin x log of 2i minus 8 plus log x equal to 0. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just see.
All right. There is something missing here. There. Have you got this value?
Sir, why भी होना चाहिए ना?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इस क्वेश्चन में एक मिसिंग है कि x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, when you put x equal to 1, y, the value of y will be 9 by 2. So when you put this equation, the value of c will be 0. Sorry, x equal to 1, y equal to 9 by 2. When you put in the solution, then you will get c equal to 0. So this, I think it is missing somewhere. All right, but you will get this answer. Otherwise it will be in terms of c, but your answer will be sin x log 2i minus 8 plus log x equal to, here in place of c 0 it will be c. If I have not given this value, then it will be c, but when we put the value of x equal to 1, y equal to 9 by 2, we will get the value of c equal to 0. All right, question number 6. So question number 5, have you got the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6, 1 plus 3x by y dx plus 3 to power x by y 1 minus x by y. Okay, so answer is very simple. It is one of the simple question. X plus 3y e to power x by y equals to c. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 7. Y into 1 plus 1 by x cos y plus dx. Yeah, Antara, can you give me the answer, please? Question number 7.
I couldn't solve the question number 7.
Okay, who has solved this question? Neha solved. Neha, okay, Neha,
Yes, sir.
Shubham, Jilag, Mahak Singh. Mahak, please tell me the answer, please.
Y cos y into x plus ln x is equal to c.
Okay, just match it. Y into x plus log x plus x cos y, and this is equal to c. Is it correct, or y is multiplied only with x? Yeah.
This is correct, sir.
Okay, fine.
सर लास्ट वाले टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है.
Last term से multiply नहीं
x
है.
cos y से नहीं होगा.
Okay, that's why I'm asking.
Sir, x cos y से नहीं है.
Okay, correct, you are right. This is now only. So I have to make the
Yes.
correction here in the answer, because in the answer it is given open bracket. That means somewhere missing. Thank you very much for your correction. So here it is fine. So I'm giving you 2 questions, very, very important. Let me see who will solve this question. Giving you 5 minutes for everybody, right? You ready? Everybody is ready, I hope. So question number, so that after that I will start the non-exact form. Question number 8, solve bracket x square root of 1 minus x square y square minus y. So these are the very selected questions, and these are especially for you guys for section C only, dedicated to section C. X plus y square root of 1 minus x square y square dx equal to 0. Yeah, start. Next question is waiting. X square root of 1 minus x square y square minus y bracket dy plus x plus y square root of 1 minus x square y square dx equal to 0. Right. So I'm getting the answer. My stopwatch is running. Shubham Singh, you have solved?
वो सर वो पहले का था.
Ishita has solved this question. No? Ishita, give me the answer, please.
No, sir, not this question. I did it for the previous question.
Okay, okay. Okay, the 5 main names I should call. So I'm calling the name of the 5 to 8 students. They should be remain after the class. Manish Kumar is there. Manish Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mansi Dharendra. Mayank Singhal. Mudassir Beg. Mohit. Naman. Neha Reddy. Nipun Anand. Neonika. Nuzair Palwala. You all should be present after the class. So Manish Kumar, Mansi, Mayank Singhal, Mudassir Beg, Mohit, Naman Kakru, Neha Reddy, Utukuri, Nipun Anand, Neonika Gaur, Nuzair Palwala. So who is ready to give the answer? I'm just waiting. Who will raise the hand first? Yeah, Rijul. Rijul. Rijul, tell me the answer. You have raised the hand.
Sir, del M over del Y is not equal to del N over del X.
It is an exact equation. It should always be
No, sir,
equal.
it's not equal.
It should always be equal.
They're equal.
Yes, it is. It will be equal. That's why I
सर
give this question.
डेल वाई एक बार आप कंफर्म कर दोगे? 2x square y square, 2x square y
So
square.
there is minus with Y. If there is no minus with Y, it will be fine then.
No, 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 no,
Dy.
no, 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 no.
Sir, it's equal. Sir, I
Yes.
got equal both.
Got na?
सर इक्वल
So
तो आ
tell,
रहा है बट एक बार
you tell them those who have not got the equal value. Yeah, still waiting. Only 1 minute left. Neha, great. Yeah, please tell me the answer.
So I'm not sure with the answer.
Okay,
But
no issue. What you got the equal value? Just tell me. Del m by del y and del n by del x. What was the value?
1 minus root over 1 minus x square into y square
Yeah.
minus x square y square by root over 1 minus x square y square.
Great. Very good, Neha.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Lakshay, you
Yes,
got it?
sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
And what is the answer, Neha?
X square minus y square by 2 whole by 2
Okay.
plus y square into 1 by 2 sine inverse of xy plus 1 by 2 into x root 1 minus y square 1 by y square minus x square is equal to c.
सही है जय.
Okay, a little bit the correct answer. Okay.
सही
You're
है
right.
sir.
Right. You got the right answer.
Yes sir. सही है.
Good, Neha, noted. So Neha, she has given the first. She has given the answer in a very quick way. So I have noted her name. Fine. Thank you, Neha. Okay, Lakshya and Jalaj, you got the answer same? Jalaj.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it's little
Lakshya.
bit different.
Lakshya.
I've got x.
Okay, Lakshya, can you repeat the answer?
Sir, x square by 2 plus x y square by 2 under root 1 minus x square y square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x into y divided by y square minus y square by 2.
Yes, sir. This I got.
Okay. Okay, maybe something like that. Jalaj, you got the same answer.
Sir, me too.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah. So other people, what about the other? I have to check the answer. Aryaman is there in the class. Ashish, CSC. Vishwajit.
यस सर.
Yeah, what is your answer?
सर आंसर नहीं मिल रहा मेरा, नहीं कर पा रहा.
Mohit. Mohit, what happened?
I'm solving.
Solving.
सर एक बार करके दे सकते हैं आंसर वो सिर्फ.
100% I will do that in the class. Okay, let's see. Everybody just try to match this.
सर नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं हो रहा है. Who is saying नहीं हो रहा है?
सर मैं कदम.
Kadam. Oh, I was expecting that your name is first.
नहीं हो रहा सर मुझसे.
Okay. Let's see. No issue. That depends
सर
upon
लास्ट में
the
दो टर्म मिल रहा है इंटीग्रेशन में x into अंडर रूट 1 minus x square y square dx और फिर
check square root of 1 minus x square y square minus y. Is it correct, na? This is n or m.
N.
Because
N,
you
sir.
made you mistake because dx and dy na your form is what m dx plus n dy equal to 0. आपने क्या किया होगा इसको m मान लिया होगा इसको n मान लिया होगा ऐसे किया है आप लोगों ने कुछ
नहीं सर फिर भी इक्वल तो आना ही है तो अब इसको m सर इक्वल तो आना ही है ना वैसे भी आप m किसी को भी ले लो n किसी को भी ले लो और ये जो m dx plus n dy ये भी प्लस में ही है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा
ओके क्यों आप इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x को विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y से तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा
फर्क पड़ेगा
हैं स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 minus x square y. Right, this is m x plus y and now you have to find del n upon del x, right? So using the product rule, differentiating x with respect to x, this is 1, so you are getting this 1 minus x square y square, then plus x into differentiating this term. So when you differentiate 1 by 2, this will be 1 by 2, right? And then to power minus 1 by 2, so this will be square root of 1 minus x square y square. Again differentiating with this term, so this will be minus of 2xy square. Is it correct or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to what? This 2 will be cancelled, and then square root of 1 minus x square y square minus this will be x square x into x square y square divided by square root of 1 minus x square y square. Correct? So this is your del n by del x. Now come to del m by del x, del m by del y. So again, this is because y is the here y is the constant with respect to x. This is 0. Here x will be constant with respect to y 0. So take it with respect to y. Again, you will get here differentiating. So taking this y second function, this is the first function. So this will be 1 minus x square y square, and then plus 1 by 2 differentiating this term into y by 2 we can write it y by 2 square root of this will be 1 minus x square y square. Again differentiating this will be of minus 2 x square y. Fine. So this will be equal to square root of 1 minus x square y square minus 2 cancel. So this will be x square y square divided by square root of 1 minus x square y square. So it is equal. This implies that this del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. Correct, na? So this equation 1. So 1 is in exact form. Okay. Now come to the solution part. Hence the solution is what? Hence the solution of the required solution is what? The formula is what? This is m dx y constant plus integration of n dy equal to c, but here the consider is no x term. Fine. Okay. Now see the equation. You have just see the equation. So I'm using that. This implies that integration of m. M is what? This is x plus y square root of 1 minus x square y square, and then this is dx. X plus y square root of 1 minus x square dx, and then plus here y is constant. Then there is no term of x in x. So what is the here? What is the term will be here? Yes.
Minus y.
Minus y. Simply minus y
Minus y.
dy equal to c. Correct. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Integrate this with respect to x. So we will get here. This implies that x integration with respect to x. This is x square by 2, and then plus what is the integration? This is the taking the this same y into square root of 1 minus x square y square. So this is y is what? This is the y is constant.
Y constant. फिर sin inverse x.
Either you take, either you can write like I'm just writing here. Y into integration of, make it that one. Square root of 1 by y square minus x square, and then taking the y square common, so this will be y square, and then it will be dx. Correct? Is it correct? And then
Yes,
then
sir.
minus y square by 2 equal to c. Now you can take this implies that x square by 2 plus y square. Now this you can take the integration of that. Which formula will apply? You know what is the formula of integration of square root of a square minus x square dx? You know this
Sin
a is
inverse.
constant. So this is what? This is x by 2 square root of a square minus x
A
square
square minus x square
plus 1 by 2 a.
Sir, a square by 2 and then
1 by
into
2a sine inverse
Sin inverse
x by
x by
a.
Yes.
This is the formula. When you go for that, you take the formula. So this will be what? This will be x by 2.
Sir, the formula is a square by 2 sin inverse x by a.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर वहाँ a स्क्वायर बाय 2 फिर साइन इनवर्स x बाय
यस
ए
सर
स्क्वायर
2a नहीं होगा।
वो प्लस में ए स्क्वायर बाय
प्लस
2
में a स्क्वायर बाय 2 सर होता है सर।
ए स्क्वायर बाय 2
साइन इनवर्स से पहले वाला।
यस
ए
सर साइन
स्क्वायर बाय
इनवर्स
2
के न्यूमरेटर।
ये वाला
नहीं
सर वो ए स्क्वायर
ए
न्यूमरेटर
स्क्वायर न्यूमरेटर में
A square in the numerator.
आप चेक कर लीजिए इस फॉर्मूला को। ए स्क्वायर
सर इंटरनेट खोल के ही बैठा हूँ।
सर चेक किया है।
Sir, it is x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a.
okay, this is a square by 2. Okay, fine. Yes, yes, it is a square by 2 and then sin inverse x by a. Is correct now?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be x by 2. Just to take a this in place of a, this is 1 by y, or a square 1 by a square, y square. So when you compare this will be x by 2 and then 1 by y square minus x square and then plus this is not bracket, actually it is in modular sign, then plus 1 by, so this is a square means 1 by this, so 1 by 2 and 1 by y square means a square means 1 by y square means 1 by, this is 1 2 y square and then sin inverse, this will be x upon a means 1 by y and then minus y square by 2 equal to c. Correct now? So when you rearrange this equation, this implies that this will be equal to x square minus y square upon 2, this term, and then plus taking this as this is the xy, so this will be equal to, you can take it, plus xy upon 2, you check it, square root of 1 minus x square y square and then plus 1 by 2 sin inverse xy equal to c. This is the answer. Make it sense?
सर हम लोग y स्क्वायर को कांस्टेंट लेके उसको भी डिवाइड भी तो कर सकते थे।
हाँ कर सकते बिल्कुल कर सकते।
ओके
आया समझ में सबको?
सर एक बार पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव वाला पार्ट एक बार थोड़ा दिखाइए तो मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा
देखिए, अभी मैं एक और क्वेश्चन देने वाला हूँ बहुत अच्छे वाला, and again I am giving you 3 minutes only, 3.5 minutes, not more than that, but that is a very simple question.
हाँ सर हो गया सर।
हो गया? Okay. Okay, there are two questions. Write the question number 8 or 9. Okay, no. Solve. The equation is 1 plus e to power x by y dx plus e to power x by y 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0 and y 0 equal to 4. 1 plus e to power x by y dx plus e to power x.
You gave us this question yesterday itself similarly.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
You gave this question, a similar question yesterday itself.
I've given similar question.
Yes, sir. For homework. Yes, sir.
मैं बस 3 मल्टीप्लाई
हाँ
लेकिन
सर
वो भी
उसमें
हुआ
3x by 3ex by y होगा।
3 multiplied there.
6,
Yes, sir.
And the condition is also there. Fine. Okay, no issue. No issue, we'll do that. And just I'm giving another question. Another question I'm going to give you. Another question means what? Question number 10. For what values of a and b is the differential equation y plus x cube dx plus ax plus by cube dy equal to 0 exact. Also find the solution of differential equation. For what values of a and b? I solved this 2.5 minutes only. For what values of a and b is the differential equation y plus x cube dx plus ax plus by cube dy equal to 0 exact? Also find the solution. It's a good question. Yeah, Neha. Neha. Yeah.
Then I got A is equal to 1 and B belongs to R.
Okay.
And the answer is x power 4 plus b y power 4 plus 4xy is equal to c.
Okay. So why you are taking b as a real value? All R belongs to R.
So because we can't find the value of this using del m by del y plus is equal to del n by del x. We can't find it, right?
Okay. Why it is real? It will be any number. Is it possible? B is any number.
Yes, sir. B is any number.
Yes, sir. B is any
Yes,
number.
sir.
Real. If it is complex,
sir,
then we can solve the solution.
सर वो y क्यूब के साथ है तो फिर उधर वो कांस्टेंट ही है y क्यूब तो फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था.
Yes, Rijul.
So positive real number excluding 0.
Positive real number excluding
Excluding
0. Okay, excluding 0 means what?
Sir, if b will be 0, then it won't be solving. y वाली term 0 हो जाएगी ना फिर.
अच्छा, अगर b 0 हो जाएगा तो क्या सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलेगा या एग्जैक्ट नहीं होगा?
y क्यूब वाली term 0
तो तब भी निकलेगा.
हाँ. So that's why what I'm asking, the b is 0
सर 0 रखने पे सर वो जो y क्यूब वाली टर्म है वो 0 हो जाएगी वो कह रहा है सर.
तो उससे क्या हो जाएगा?
नहीं सर एग्जैक्ट तो रहेगा.
तो एग्जैक्ट रहेगा. That means it will give the solution. Primitive solution will give.
Yes, sir.
So what is the value? What is the problem? If b is 0.
Yes, sir, it will be real.
Okay.
Any real number, R.
Any R. I am
Yes,
saying any number without using the word a real number. I am saying any number. Lakshya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Neha.
So it can actually be.
Actually?
It can actually be any number, not only real, even complex.
Yes. Complex can be, na? Can be possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
y क्यूब तो
कदम
डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir. It can be any number.
Any number. Okay. So the answer is correct. That means now see देखो ऐसे ही होता है कि we have to ask in the exam to make the confusion of the students, create the confusion in the question, right? So this is one of the good question, and that means when you find this del m upon del y and del n upon del x, actually at a equal to 1 it makes equal and it's exact one. So this at a equal to 1 and b has no contribution for making the equation as exact or not, right? It doesn't have any contribution for that. So this b value is any value. any value can be put, because it has no any contribution for the equation to be an exact form. And the solution is what? And the solution is that Neha said, x plus xy plus x to power 4 upon 4 plus y to power 4 upon 4 plus, sorry, by to power 4 upon 4, and this is equal to c. Is this correct answer? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the questions. There are some more questions for you, and okay, we have solved so many questions. All right, and some. Okay, one more questions I'm giving you for practice. Question number 11. Sin hx cos y dx minus cos hx sin y dy. Somebody has asked me a question based on the hyperbolic function.
Sir, I had asked.
Yeah, so that way, that's we can solve it. I given the formula, na? No issue for that.
No, sir.
Sin hx cos y dx minus cos hx sin y dy equal to 0. एक तो ये क्वेश्चन हो गया आपके लिए ना. उसके बाद थोड़ी सी परेशान करने वाला क्वेश्चन लिख दूं मैं आपको. ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. x e to power x square plus y square dx plus y into 1 plus e to power x square plus y square dy equal to 0 and y 0 equal to 0. Bas. 12 question is enough, because 30 number is not the good number. So coming to some part of the non-exact form of the equation, and tomorrow we'll start about the non-exactness. So what is non-exact and how to reduce it into the exact form? See. Noted? Noted question number 11 and 12?
Yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Noting the 12th one.
Yes. Okay, fine. So I'm going to use the another sheet, new sheet for non-exactness. Where is that one?
I was noting that, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. पहले इसको सेव कर दूं मैं. क्लाउड पे सेव करना होता है ना इसको, क्लाउड पे. BTech and today is 23rd November, 24th, sorry, 24 November. Okay. Come to the new sheet. Come to the equation. So I'm sure that everybody for the that exact form of the differential equation is easy and you can solve the questions. I'm sure. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Can you raise your hand? Anybody who's it is not clear? I think Lakshay Jain, the exact form is not clear.
नहीं सर वो पिछली बारी का ही वो सॉरी
अच्छा, अच्छा. Anyone that this method is not clear? Anybody else? Any doubt? Anybody? Please frankly, please speak me. I will not mind it. I will be happy if you ask me the questions. I'll be happy. Okay. So the equations are reducible to exact form of. Yeah.
आप जो पुराना जो व्हाइट बोर्ड जो भी सब है वो आप कहीं अपलोड करेंगे क्या?
मैं अपलोड कर देता हूँ. मैं इसको कहाँ पे अपलोड करूँ फोल्डर को?
वो जो लिंक आप भेजे थे क्या वो क्या कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया क्या MS Teams में?
हाँ, MS Teams में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. एग्जैक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. मैं आपको टीम पे ही उसकी फोल्डर को अपलोड कर दूं. एक बार ट्राई करके देखिएगा आप लोग, है ना?
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है.
ठीक है ना, उसको पूरी फोल्डर को मैं अपलोड करता हूँ एक बार, है ना? तो मुझे इसका फीडबैक बताइएगा कल. मैं आज ही करूँगा इसको, है ना? Okay, equation reducible to exact form of differential equation. What it mean by that means non-exact form of differential equation. यही तो मतलब हुआ non-exact form of differential equation, है ना? This one term and that will make it reducible to exact form, and that is called integrating factor, right? So when you multiply the integrating factor with the non-exact equation, it will become exact form, and then we can apply the method to solve the solution, right? Now see, before that I'm just writing what is integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? Who will tell me how to define integrating factor? Anyone can tell me what is integrating? You have just listened what is integrating factor, if. But what is integrating factors?
Just to integrate.
Yeah.
Like it is a term which when introduced to equation helps us to integrate it.
It's a function which facilitate solving differential equation.
Okay, so I'm writing here. Good. A function of x or y or xy, right? Function of x, y or xy which multiply a non-exact form of differential equation, right? Can made in exact form such function is known as or called integrating factor. ठीक है? IF. All right. मैं मेथड पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ, आपको मैं थोड़ा सा एक चीज सजेस्ट कर रहा था मैं आपको। कल आप लोग मुझे जो है ना कल एक फार्मूला मुझे आप कलेक्शन करके बताएंगे, मैं देखता हूँ कौन बताता है। एक फार्मूला होता है, जैसे होता क्या है, ग्रुप ऑफ द टर्म्स होते हैं, है ना, ग्रुप ऑफ टर्म्स होता है, फिर यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होता है, और जब उसको एंड एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होता है, एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होता है। जैसे मान लिया हमारे पास पहले नंबर में एक टर्म है dx प्लस और माइनस dy, इस फॉर्म में लिखा होगा, तो इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर हो जाएगा x प्लस वाई और माइनस वाई। व्हेन दिस इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन, द इक्वेशन बिकम एग्जैक्ट फॉर्म, दिस विल बी dx प्लस माइनस dy अपॉन x प्लस माइनस y, और वी कैन राइट इट d ऑफ log ऑफ x प्लस माइनस y, ये फॉर्मूला होता है। सो अगर ये आपका इक्वेशन है, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये इस फॉर्म में हो गया, एंड देन इट कैन बी इंटीग्रेटेड, राइट, इट कैन बी इंटीग्रेटेड। अदरवाइज इसको तो इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर सकते हैं। क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्योंकि dx अलग है, dy अलग है, बट हियर ना दिस कैन बी इंटीग्रेटेड। सिमिलरली दूसरा फार्मूला होता है y dx प्लस x dy, इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होता है 1/2xy। सो ये आपके पास जो इक्वेशन होगा, इसको जैसे ऐसे लिखते हैं, इसको y dx प्लस x dy, एंड दिस विल बी रिटन एज d ऑफ xy, राइट। सिमिलरली अगर ये लिखा हो 2x² dy प्लस 2xy² dx, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं d ऑफ x² y²। सो दिस बिकम इंटीग्रेबल। सिमिलरली आप मुझे इसके इसी तरह के कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द फार्मूला, देयर आर सो मेनी फार्मूलाज देयर, सो टुमारो यू हैव टू टेल मी। मैं कल बात करेंगे। शुड आई स्टॉप नाउ? Hello.
Yes.
Right. So these are the integrating factor. So by inspection method हम जाएंगे आगे. This in the exact form, non-exact form, there are 5 or 6 methods, and all these methods will give you how to find the integrating factor, and when you multiply this, you will get the equation in exact form, and then it can be solved easily. So this integrating finding or integration factor, somewhere there's one method that is called the inspection method, and in that part the question is like that, with some term will be like this. So what will be the integrating factor? How to make this equation be integrable? That we have to find the integrating factor by this. We have to find by inspection. By inspection. So this is some certain formula, inbuilt formula is there. You have to find what are these formulas. So tomorrow we'll discuss. Make it sense? Make it sense? Okay. So 73 से 70 पे कैसे आ गए? 3 लोग कहाँ चले गए? हाँ, या बोलिए जल्दी. Okay, so I am going to stop. So thank you very much. You please leave the class, and only the name I have called, these people should be in the class. Manish Kumar, Mansi, Mayank.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. You please leave the class.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Jalaj, I have given one assignment to you yesterday. Is it working or no? Are you working on it? That
Sir, I have posted on the group. They will tell their names.
Okay, okay. So collect, no issue. Because after this topic, we'll go for the higher order differential equation. So it required. And before that, I just want to make it clear, everybody.
Okay, sir.
Manish, Mansi, Mohit, Naman, Nipon, Reddy. So Manish, Mansi, Mayank, Mohit, Naveen, Naman, Neha, Nipun, Neonika. Rohan Khanna, why you are in the class? Rohan. Saksham. Okay. Please on your camera, please. Is it possible to on your camera? Mohit. Okay, welcome Mohit. How are you? Manish Kumar. Mayank. Welcome everybody. Nipun. Neonika. Mansi. Nipun.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Naman Kakru. Neha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mansi. Neonika. Naman. Okay, just I make. I have to stop the recording.